Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to use event planning in groups on WhatsApp. To do that, you have just to go to WhatsApp, open the application, and after that, go to any group that you want. And after that, click on the plus in the bottom left of the screen. After that, click on event. And here, put the event name. You can add the description. You can, or you should put when this event starts and when it ends, the location of it, and if it will be WhatsApp call link, you can put it also. And you put a reminder. And you choose here if you want to allow like people to bring one additional guest, yes or no. And after that we click on send. And like that, as you can see, this is our event created and sent to the group. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video. See you in the next one.